stripping this down so it can be next in line to go to the paint shop after the Mark II that we've just finished doing the mechanical side of it. This is the one, Mark II, I was talking about. It was in one of the other videos. It's ready to go. It's just missing the cover here. OEM Mark II airbox. It's been modified to fit the airmath. It looks proper, like it should be. It's really, really cool. Quite happy with how it's turned out. So this is off to the paint shop anyway. And then once this is done, they're quite busy, then this one will go. So it's going to be a while before you see this one again. These will be the wheels. RX2s, 502 I think they are. They're 7.5J by 17, 5/100. The tyre that's on it is basically just the tyre because it was on a Mark IV, but probably on like a 215/40 or a 205/40 17. What else have we done? Not much to this really, just been focusing on the Mark II to get it ready. Let's put this Passat B5 130 inlet manifolds, so it points, instead of going this way, it goes that way, because we're going to have the air filter actually where it should be here, and the boost pumps are going to run this way. So it's got the same orientation as the original Mark III. I had it that way around. If you had smelly vision, you'd smell what this looks like. It's not so bad, it smelled worse, but it's not pleasant either. So just taking these plush velour seats up. Then just gonna cut this up and throw this away. Looks a little bit better without the carpet. Just gonna remove those the rear bench. It's really quite easy to take off. You gotta do is like there's a little clip here. Just remove this. And then here, you just want to see, make it as like a little wedge. You just got it's quite simple really. Just push it around, pushes it up, and that's it. It's out. It just slides out of there. Piece of cake. So we'll do it to the other side. There you go. What else can I say? I can't really say much.